Hello and welcome to this episode of Sunday Driver. Today is the day that we have all been waiting for. Finally, Colton's van is done with paint. We spent like a week grinding on it. Between the two of us, put like a ton of hours into it. And when we took it in, we decided that it wasn't quite up to snuff, wasn't quite ready. So we dropped it off since we were both so busy. And we decided to let them finish it. And finish all the prep work, lay down the primer and the paint. It's been about 2 weeks. We let him keep it a little bit longer so that the primer could fully cure and look its absolute best. So we're meeting him down there, and I hope it looks good. Hopefully you like the color. What do you think? Is it gonna look good?
Oh hell!
It's gonna look like crap, or what?
Dude, no. He was trying to go with like. Remember, he was trying to go with like the.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! No color reveal.
Oh, redo it.
Well, here we are. Hopefully you can hear me through this mask. What do you think?
Oh my gosh, dude, that's sick, man.
A little bit better?
Oh, it's like perfect, and it's like one of those things where it's like a little understated. You know what I mean? It's like a very subtle green, like not in your face.
Yeah.
Dude, it's beautiful.
It's right over there.
I'm not gonna look at it until I'm close.
All right, don't look. I'll tell you when there's traffic.
All right, here we go.
Oh! Ow! Oh!
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What? Dude, feel how smooth it is. Oh my gosh. What?
It's like butter.
It is like butter. Oh my gosh.
Let's go.
Better.
Go look at the side of the sun.
Oh jeez. What do you think, Brian? Green man. Green was definitely the right choice for the sky. Oh wow. Yeah, it's all the same color.
Amazing.
It's not like white, it's actually blue. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's really
First impressions?
I definitely am glad I went with the dark, because even this was like the darkest shade they had.
Yeah.
And this is still like, whoa, that's green.
Yeah, it's definitely not as dark as it looked on the little piece.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Dude, it looks very adventure-y.
What do you think, Brendan? What's the car guy opinion?
Dude, I think it looks sick. It looks very CAMPERVAN.
Really? Yes!
Hey, once you get the sweet logo going on the side, man.
Oh, yeah. This is pretty much exactly how I envisioned the color looking.
Heck yeah.
Like it's just like a tree green.
Yeah.
It doesn't look shitty anymore. Dude, this is the darkest shade they had, and this thing's pretty bright.
Yeah. Now no one will question you if you try to give them candy.
Dude, I think this is a nice blend of like, it's definitely distinct, but it's not obnoxious, you know?
Yeah. It's much better than white, for sure.
Yeah. I think I would have been as equally happy with this or the orange. What do you think, Brian?
This is better.
I think green's better. Yeah. I found that Subaru orange. I saw a Subaru with that orange though. It does look really cool. The like burnt orange.
And the car's dead. So we're gonna go jump it before we get some more shots of it. Of course. That's how it goes with old project cars. Oh, you don't even need my help.
I need your help jump starting it.
You're so strong. You're like a superhero. Oh shit, I'm pulling the other way, huh? Someone's ripping a donut over there. Good looking battery.
It's pretty awful, actually.
Good to go. All started up. Yeah, driving Colton's other car home, this thing sounds terrible when you first start it. Idles at like 200 RPM and shakes the whole car, but this one probably won't be around for much longer now that he's got the beast up and going. And B-Tech. This is safe, right? You don't need those dang license plates or turn signals or tail lights or bumpers. It's all overrated, trust me. I've been driving behind this Miata trying to figure out how they could have their hands like that. It's not a real person. Those aren't real hands. Hey, I'll race you. Pinks.
Pinks?
Nope, that's reverse.
It's not reverse, it's a neutral.
All right, my lad, we went somewhere a little bit more quiet. They blew up our spot over there. I tried to repeat it the same place as the last video we went. But anyways, what do you think?
Wow.
So much better.
It's so much better, and it just doesn't look like a piece of crap. And
I have to back way up to get this whole thing in there. I like it's very foresty, very camper.
It is very foresty. This is like the exact color that I wanted.
Killer.
I love every part of it. But yeah, now I'm a lot more protective of it. Before, like, I feel like if I bumped into something, I'd kind of like, oh, whatever.
Yeah.
Now,
oh god.
Yeah, seriously. There's like dust on it. I'm like, oh heavens, we have to go get it washed.
Yeah. But I feel like once you paint it or do anything nice, it makes you like, gives you a little boost, and you're like, yes, let's do the next thing. Now.
Man, after driving my Honda around for like 4 or 5 years, I was just like, man, I'm just not ready to drive another piece of crap vehicle again.
Yeah.
I just want something I can look at and be proud of. And with this one, I can, get it polished or sand and polish whenever I need to. So, oh my gosh, this gave me like motivation.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh, look at it.
Will you just look at it?
Oh yeah, dude. I'm gonna get rid of these things. So from here.
Get rid of the mirrors?
No, well.
What? Geez, you're gonna get rid of your taillights, your license plate, and now the mirrors.
Well, okay. So the next plan for this, the next stage is basically just touch up. I'm gonna get new side view mirrors. Gonna spray paint these handles black.
Yeah. I'm
going to paint my wheels black, like my rims. Which, by the way, you should check. Oh, also I'm gonna paint like My bucket's black, grill, bumpers, all gonna be black this weekend. Get it on there. That's the difference between how dirty the wheels are on the inside.
Oh, yeah.
So that's...
Yeah, we were gonna paint them all, but we ended up just spending the whole time sanding everything. But this is just from cleaning. This is after, and not even that great of a cleaning.
No, that was like the hose.
This is before.
Yeah, so the wheels are white.
I thought that the wheels were black under there.
Yeah, and that's not rust. It's just pure grease.
As we started taking it off, I'm like, wait, what the heck? It's white under here.
Yeah, so I don't know. And also I am just so happy with. I think this weekend I'm literally just gonna focus on getting the bumpers and the grill on. But I am so happy with how the Bondo turned out. I mean, like that. Where all the holes from the padlocks were, I mean, that's about as good as it's gonna get, I think. There's little bumps, but if you weren't looking for it, you wouldn't notice it.
Right.
Also, I'm just so glad I spent the money. Just to make it look good. I'm like, man, I don't want to go through this whole experience and have it look crappy. So, yeah. Oh, it feels. You can't feel it, but it feels like buttery smooth.
Yeah, it is super smooth.
It's so nice. Yeah. Oh my. You can see yourself in it.
Do you know the name of the paint?
Kaz 3. I'm pretty sure it's made at Mako.
Okay.
They make it.
It's their own color.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaz 344.
Okay.
Yeah.
There you go. If you want to join the CAMPERVAN gang and be the proper color.
Yeah. Well, what's crazy is that this. I mean, I've said it before. I've said it a few times, but oh man, you can literally. I think you can still see some of the scratches we made from sanding it.
Yeah. There's going to be a little bit of that.
Damn, it still showed through all the primer? That's insane. Oh well. Honestly, it's like...
Dude, it just keeps going.
I mean, it's extended. So the other one, the extended is a whole 2 feet longer than just the OG.
Yeah. Usually the back of them is like where this tailpipe is.
Yeah, I mean, it's an extra 2 feet. It's there, right there. I mean, which is definitely what I wanted, but it makes insulating it everything way more expensive. Yeah,
but I mean, since you're going to be spending since the point of it is to spend time inside of it, I think it's probably worth it that you get the bigger one.
I definitely think it's worth it. Definitely think it's worth it. I'm just so happy it just looks good. So from here also, along with making everything black, the fan I got on top is black.
Wait, I thought it's white.
No, it's black. I got the black one.
Oh,
from Max Air, the nice fans, you can get black ones. I got it just for this. But I'm gonna spray paint everything the same black, make it all match. And then on the other side, I'm gonna get a white Mountain decal on it.
Oh, nice.
Yep.
That'll be sweet.
Yep. I think it'll look.
You're gonna do both sides or just one?
I think just one.
Okay.
I don't know, maybe two. I haven't figured it out yet.
All right. Well, it's all up to you.
I feel like this thing is kind of like a. I feel like it's kind of like a. I don't know what, like something nice you get that it's really, really. Oh, they didn't fix this hole. I meant to Bondo this hole.
That's extra, but I mean, in the grand schemes, it's not really that big of a deal. You can come back and do that later.
Fuck, I didn't notice that. I was gonna Bondo it, but then I didn't because I was like, man, there's so much rust inside. I don't want to seal in the rust without getting it out.
To do it right, you really don't want to put any Bondo over rust. And just come back to it someday.
Damn it. I'll put something over it. Put a sticker.
Oh yeah, great idea. Mountain sticker. Boom.
Yep. Yeah, but I forgot what I was saying. I just can't stop.
So are you gonna try and make this thing stealth and under the radar so people don't think?
It's not even stealth anymore.
Well, I mean, if you don't do more exterior mods and lift it and tires and stuff, people could still think it's a work van.
The mountains on the side?
Okay, yeah. So that's the point. If you put mountains and then a sticker that says van life on it, people are gonna know. So just depends what you want.
I feel even if people suspect, they can't just come up and I don't know, what are they gonna do?
I don't know. What do people do to vans when they see them in the wild?
I don't know. I'm kind of making this up as I go along.
I'll tell you what though, looks good in the afternoon light.
Oh yeah.
Anyways, any closing thoughts?
Just another step closer.
Yeah. That's it for today. This thing looks pretty rad. I'm glad we spent the time and got all that sanding done. Thanks for watching. I'm out.
Man. We need to get this battery fixed.
What's going on there, buddy?
My battery's real messed up. That's what's up.
I think it's just something drawing power on it when it's turned off for some reason. But yeah, we'll sort that out.
I think, yeah.
His other car almost just started, or almost just didn't start. How bad would that be if we brought out both of his cars and both of them had a dead battery out here?
Have you ever done it though?
Yes.
But I'm gonna take a risk.
Let's try this again.